Good morning, everybody. Scrapple Grandpa, what's next? I just picked up my buddy Billy.
All right.
Headed to the honey hole. I mean, this is a real honey hole, guys. I wish I'd have brought my trailer home. I didn't, dadgummit. So I didn't get to charge my batteries. Oh, come on. It's a pope I'll be watching about right now. Billy and I have been knocking it out the park, for real. Some of these things had brass on them. We put that in a floorboard. Some goodness. He's cutting them handles off, making it easier to actually deal with, roll it around, whatever. I'm taking that brass. Push mowers, we're going to throw the plastic here. Eventually, at the end of this job, we'll take away the plastic for them too. We're not going to just leave them with that since they're giving us this. Yeah. Imagine, I don't know, but I imagine this metal, they might want to get rid of it, laying on the ground. I don't know how we'll do it.
10 more do it, boss.
We'll take care of it for them. I don't even want 10 more.
Huh?
I don't even want 10 more.
The rest of them are lawnmowers.
Yeah. We did a lot.
Yeah.
Look. Take a look at the trailer. What? Billy's been stacking it like crazy.
By the time you get them right there, I think I could probably get about 5 more on top of it.
Yeah, I just don't, yep. 5 maybe, yeah.
I mean, I got spaces right here that are built up and leveled out.
Yeah.
And then, boom.
I definitely got a good load on here. Don't want to get overloaded.
It's stacked up pretty nice.
I know, it's so tight. Tight. Got goodness everywhere, guys. What? All right, so Billy says, let's go ahead and just get a few more. We got the front of the trailer loaded down pretty good. We even have one right here, so we're gonna get back to work on this. I'll see you guys in a minute. Just before we get ready to leave, I'll do a little video of that, of course. You're probably watching that part now.
Like wife calling. Nope, that ain't doing it. Nope.
Shorten it. You ain't gotta be so long while you're on that ratchet. Get off that extension. Get off there.
Oh, am I?
It's gonna break.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
It did.
Next. Oh yeah, breaking. You got it. You got this. Oh, she's almost there. Gotta break. Look at that. What? I could put a few of these in the back. First load of the day. What? And we still got them when we get back. Not to mention all of them next trip. And look at this goodness right here. What? That's aluminum goodness. A good amount of it too. There is this metal. It's a rear end right there. It's like a plow deck. Railroad tire or something. That thing is a massive piece of steel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decks. Wow. And an enormous amount of stuff back there. He said I could have that thing if I could get rid of it. I can't. Can't do it. All I know right now, I got more on here than I really want to have. More than I wanted. That's a lot. What? There we are. Yeah, that is a lot in the back of the old Ford. Jay, can she handle it? Gosh, Jay, tell me yes. Say yeah. Grandpa, that thing will handle it. It's a Ford. Jay, that's life with Jay. He just does random his day stuff. Yep. All right. So Getting ready to back this thing up, hook it up. Let's get out of here for the first trip today. All right, let's get these things off. I'm just gonna kind of pass them to you or throw them off one at a time. We had too much weight back in my truck. I could feel it, so we just stopped at my place and dropped it off. Brought the weight down a little bit. All right, I didn't get my ticket, although I will show you my ticket tomorrow. That was $386. Not bad. All right, so we did good today. I got 7 of these. We dropped off at my house because I had my truck overloaded. 7 here, so that makes 14 of these we got ready to go. The trailer's halfway loaded, not completely, but I'm bringing it home with me anyways because I want to charge up the batteries. I want to be able to pump up my tires in the morning, but tomorrow, the first thing we'll do is grab that. We already grabbed all of this. Look at this. We just loaded up. All these plastic things, the last thing I'm going to do for them, because they're giving me all this, giving it to me. They don't want nothing for it. And hey, it's everywhere. It's literally everywhere around here. Oh my word. Every tree has a hidden lawnmower. They're back there. Look, he wants to save that right now, but he said I can have that beam if I can get it out. Yeah, all that metal gotta go. So we'll come back tomorrow morning and finish loading this. It's Saturday, so it'll be a shorter day tomorrow. We just finished loading this trailer. If we can get it to the recycle center, I will. If I can't, then I just won't. But this is all just my bed full of aluminum. Most of it just breakage. There's some stuff on top we'll take out. But yeah, we're gonna knock it out the park in here. Yeah. Every day that we can come, we're gonna do it. Every day we can come, we're gonna do it, and we'll leave it better than we left it. Found it. But this is just a small section. He told me to take that bed there too, and that orange one over there. All that stuff over there. Mowers for days. Yeah, we got 30 riding mowers in here. Trucks. He's got some cars and trucks he wants to get pulled out of here. So I get my friend over here for that. Anyways, guys, that was my day. We are calling it a day. It's hot. Let's get a few more of my... Yeah, yes, please. Let's get a few... We need my compressor for a flat tire, too. I do want to charge all my batteries.